Hello and welcome all of you to the Prelims PYQ discussion of NEVA IAS. The theme of this discussion is British revenue policies. So this is one very important theme that comes constantly in test series. But if you look at the question, actual question from 2014 to 23, we just have one question about the revenue policy. This is an important theme for the mains as well. So it's important that you have clarity on this. And you have associated questions, not necessarily direct questions, associated questions with respect to permanent settlement or other revenue settlement systems that will be coming. So I'll just explain the concept here once I read the question. The question is, which among the following was or were associated with the introduction of right-to-worry settlement in India during the British rule? You have three names: Cornwallis, Reed and Munro, and you just have to find who is associated with right-to-worry. Now this is why I said I'll explain the concept. Now you have three major systems, revenue settlement systems. One is right-to-worry, what is given in the question. Second is mahalwari. Third is permanent settlement. Permanent settlement is a system introduced by Cornwallis, the first person here. So it was during his governor generalship, which is 1793. And what is permanent settlement? You fix the land permanently to the zamindars. And you fix the revenue in the land. You give the land to the zamindar will be the hereditary owner of the land, and you fix the revenue permanently. So for example, if the revenue is 100, zamindar just had to pay 100 even after 10 years. The zamindar can collect 200 rupees but just have to pay 100. It will be permanently fixed. So the surplus that is generating will be the incentive of the zamindar. So what happened is British fixed the revenue to be 500 in the first place. So zamindar was not even able to collect 500 in the first place. So their land was getting to be auctioned. And the pressure was on the peasants. So this is permanent settlement. I've explained you the reason for its failure as well. Because the initial fixation of the revenue was too high. Here, there is no dealing of the British with the right. It is only the zamindar and the British company. Second is mahalwari. Here the dealing is with the British and the village headman. So revenue is collected not from the right or from the peasant or from the zamindar. It is collected from the village level. So it is fixed and periodically revised. The person associated with it is Holt Mackenzie. And the region associated with it is northwest of India. This is Bengal. Now finally the right-to-worry. This is one system that was introduced in the south of India. Why? Because south of India lacked this system of intermediaries, which is zamindars. And there the revenue was collected directly from the ryots. Ryot means peasant. So here the British presented themselves as benevolent rulers, where land is assessed, the revenue is fixed, and it would be collected directly from the ryot. No intermediaries. And the people who introduced this, Alexander Reed and Thomas Munro. So that if you understand these three systems like this, the system, the people associated, the region associated, and the years of introduction, you can easily answer a question like this. Here it is Alexander Reed and Thomas Munro, which is C, 2 and 3. So that's it. Thank you for listening.